Detect by TY200. BFT is rolling code. Use FTDBF01EN to clone it. Hold button 1 and press button 2 3 times. It flashes every 2 seconds. Then release both buttons. Press and retain press the button of the original remote control. It turns on with the fixed light. And then emits a double flash every 2 seconds. Now transmit the C code of the BFT by pressing the buttons 1 and 2. Now the light will flash quickly. Press the button of the remote where you want to store until the light will turn off. At last, activate the AMC procedure or program on the receiver. Thank you.